All right, this is the last part for August 15th, August 16th, developing the unit circle using sine and cosine. And we actually did just finish developing the unit circle. Hopefully you did the bottom half because we're actually going to use that right now. We're actually going to look at just these top four. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're not going to look at these four in this video, so this video will be short. These four we should talk about in class. Yeah, we'll talk about those in class on Wednesday the 17th and Thursday the 18th. But let's just look at sine of 7 pi over 6. So if you want to look at your unit circle, hopefully you filled that out. Maybe you have it by your side. Your big circle with all of the radians and degrees and the coordinate points. But what we do is you look at the reference angle, 7 pi over 6, on our unit circle. So we find that on our unit circle. And then we see that sine is always y. So if I'm looking at 7 pi over 6, hopefully you filled this out. Our x coordinate is negative square root of 3 over 2, and our y coordinate is negative 1/2. Sine is always y, so sine of 7 pi over 6 is negative 1/2. Similarly here, cosine of 3 pi over 2, I go to 3 pi over 2 on my unit circle. I know that cosine is always x. 3 pi over 2, the coordinate point is 0, negative 1. So 0 is my x coordinate, so cosine 3 pi over 2 is 0. Cosine 7 pi over 4, similar thing. I go to 7 pi over 4, find my coordinate points. My coordinate point, cosine is always x. So this is square root of 2 over 2. And 5 pi over 3, I go to 5 pi over 3, I find my coordinate point, which is 1/2 negative square root of 3 over 2. Sine is always y. The y coordinate is negative square root of 3 over 2. In most classes, this is where we stopped. We discussed these four maybe briefly, but we will discuss these four a little more extensively in class on Thursday and Friday. I hope this is, or Wednesday and Thursday, sorry. I hope this has been helpful. If you have questions, please feel free to email me, use the website to ask a question. And yeah, hopefully this was helpful.